Troubleshooting an LG refrigerator that is leaking inside. If your LG refrigerator is leaking water inside, we have a few troubleshooting steps that can help you resolve the issue without a technician. If your refrigerator has an 809TR or earlier serial number, the leak is likely coming from the water lines that connect to the water reservoir inside the left door. Here's what to do. Open the left door and remove the bottom shelf to locate the access panel. Then remove the access panel using a Phillips head screwdriver. With your right hand, pull straight out to release. The access panel will be connected at the left hinge. Gently pull to the right to remove it. Inspect the white and blue tubing where it inserts into the fitting on either side of the reservoir. Only one black line marked around the tube should be visible. If you can see two lines marked on the tube, push the water line into the fitting until only one black line is partially visible. For refrigerators with other serial numbers, check if there is moisture condensation forming on the refrigerator doors. If so, this is because the doors are not sealing correctly. If your refrigerator wasn't leveled properly when it was installed, the doors will not create a proper seal. Please watch our video on leveling a refrigerator linked in the description. Leaks on the inside can also be coming from the ice maker, from the ice bin, or the ice tray. First, check to see if the ice maker is on or off. If it has been turned off, the ice will melt, which could cause leaks. Be sure that the ice maker door is closed completely. If the door is accidentally left ajar, the cold air will escape, eventually causing the ice to melt. A broken ice tray can also cause a leak. Inspect the bottom of the tray for any cracks. Leaks can occur if the ice bin is not inserted correctly. Remove the ice bin and reinsert it fully into place. If the refrigerator water lines were not purged after a new installation or after installing a new water filter, air in the water lines can cause leaks. Try flushing out the air by dispensing 2 to 3 gallons of water, then see if the leak resumes. High water pressure can cause leaking with the fill tube overshooting the ice tray, but so can low water pressure by missing the tray as the water dribbles from the fill tube. Check your home saddle valve that supplies water to your refrigerator. If the valve is open or closed all the way, you may need to contact a plumber to adjust the water pressure. A bent fill tube can also cause a leak. In this case, a repair service will be required. Go to lg.com/us/support and visit the Request a Repair page. Interior leaks can also come from the water filter. This could be because a non-LG filter is being used, or the filter is not installed correctly. Use only genuine LG water filters, which can be purchased at lg.com/us/refrigerator filters. Be sure to follow the installation instructions with the LG filter or watch our video linked in the description. Make sure the plastic cap has been removed from the filter prior to installing it. Also check the O-rings at the end of the filter to see if they are stretched, cracked, or seated incorrectly. Please note that when removing the filter from the filter mount, you need to turn it counterclockwise, and when installing a new filter, you need to turn it clockwise until it locks into place. Do not pull out or push in the filter without first turning it, or the filter mount may be damaged. Also, check the filter housing for cracks or other damage. If the housing is damaged, the refrigerator will require repair service. For further assistance, you can easily find our contact information on the lg.com website. Go to the support menu to ask us more questions,